Hello, hello, beautiful peoples! Hi guys! It's March 26, 2026. And I don't know kung pang ilang unboxing to for this year, pero limited lang yung aking pag-video. So what's in this package? Gagamitin to sa Saturday and Sunday for the weekend. Okay. So, nakita ko lang siya and I decided kailangan ko yatang bumili. Buti nakaabot on time. Tingnan na sa taas. Kailangan natin to. A must have. Sirain mo na kasi. Yan. Wait lang. Grabe naman. Grabe naman kayo. It's well packed. Well bubble wrap. So, ano ba ito? It's from BRMS. And it's Ultralight Sun Screen Mist. So, excited to gamit this on Sunday. Basta nakita ko lang siya. Wait lang. Mabango. So, gaganon-ganon lang all over the face and body. So, para hindi tayo masunog sa araw, kailangan natin ito. Must have for summer events. Ek. So, it's from BMRS. So, ito yung second product na kinuha ko sa brand nila. The first one is an intimate chururut na ginagamit pa minsan-minsan but not daily. Hello, beautiful people! Hi guys! Baby ko! Sunscreen naman tayo, so okay lang yan. Woke up like this lang. Maputi pa naman ako eh. Pero hindi ako masusunog kasi may sunscreen tayo. Kailangan natin mag-sunscreen. Kahit may sunscreen, diba, namula pa rin yung face ko from yesterday's ganap. So, thanks to BMRS. Yan yung sunscreen na ginagamit naman for today's video. O, diba? Ilang layers na ng sunscreen ang nilagay ko dyan. Tingnan natin kung sa sunburn pa ba ako. And then yung final touch is yung BMRS. So, okay. I'm back. Ito siya. Naka-triple sunscreen tayo for today's video. Face Republic, Says Lady, and BMRS. Yun. So, that's all muna. Na-miss ko to. Yung mga pagganito. So that's all muna. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day. And as always, from my little world to yours. Love, love, love. Bye.